protesting in West Bengal
protesting
is very
in
different
Assam,
from
in
Assam.
Assam.
I tell you why.
No, the protesting situation is also different for both the cases.
Both
In case of Assam, there is an alpha group, with a terrorist group, and they are giving a mainly the
What
protest
Assamese
there.
people are saying that we don't want any people outside from Assam because they have a language, they have
like
a
to cut in.
culture.
The people from Assam, they are very afraid of this because they are thinking that the people who are going to come out from the borders and all, they will destroy their separate culture. That is why the people of Assam are afraid. And same goes with West Bengal.
Why should nothing be afraid? In every office, the head of their office is from a Bengali or from any other state. And if you are staying in West Bengal, and we all are saying that there is no employment in West Bengal because there are many people which is under us or also
Like West
for that
Bengal
reason.
Muslims are mainly saying that we are hard. Our emotions has hard because they have said that Muslim will not be, and that is why it is only Muslims are doing these things in West Bengal. It is very clear.
You cannot say that only the Muslims. You cannot say that only the Muslims. I want to say just yesterday that happened in a real that many people have been protesting, and during protesting they stole a huge amount of money. So how can you say that they are only protesting?
And
So that is the terrorism occurring in the country.
It is about the religion, but in
This is
Assam it is
occurring-
about the culture.
This is occurring in West Bengal.
I'm talking about both Assam and West Bengal.
Assamese are mainly
I am very
afraid because they are not getting
that
employment.
none of the people
Assamese, no,
the
they want to
government
save their
are
culture.
protesting.
Okay, so I want to
or
cut you here. I just want to mention few things that the decision which the government have taken regarding the CAB is somewhat childish, I believe, because targeting only one community and telling them that only you are not applicable for citizenship and every other communities are there and because are there for to apply for citizenship in India because they are the minorities in other countries. So I would like to suggest one thing that documentation should be the main focus of the government. Where if you don't have a appropriate document that it states that you are a resident of India, you should be eligible for staying in the country if you have a document.
Okay, in the
If
part
you
of
are
the
not
CPM,
Muslim, you are
as a document. In the part of the CPM in West Bengal, there are many invalid documents that have been passed because of the increase of the voter list. You know that,
Yes,
and
I
there
know.
are many invalids coming here and they giving an invalid document and they become a voter of India
Yes, so
and they
this is
giving
the-
vote
this
for
is the-
that
okay,
government.
so I would like to
So
state
what
one
is
thing
the
here.
validity of the
I would
document?
like to state one thing. This is also the problem of the government because there is a security breach here. Why are people coming from Bangladesh to India or from Pakistan to India?
That
Security
happens.
breaches are happening. And this is not the fault of the citizens. It is also the fault of the border army.
I don't even not say about citizen. I only said that this is the fault of government. And this when there is a honey, when there is a honey in a tree, then a honeybee always come to that
They have
part.
come to India just because of their persecuted from their
No,